Close your eyes for a second and imagine the air humming around you, not with sound, but with time itself bending, stretching, trembling like a living thing. One moment you are here, breathing familiar air, feeling gravity tug gently at your bones, and the next, the universe inhales, and you are gone. When you open your eyes again, the earth is still beneath your feet, but it is no longer your earth. You have traveled 1 billion years into the future. At first, the silence is overwhelming. Not the peaceful kind, but a deep, cosmic quiet that feels ancient, as if the planet itself has learned to speak only in whispers. The sky above you looks wrong. The sun is still there, but it burns brighter, harsher, slightly larger. It is no longer the gentle yellow star humanity once knew. Over 1 billion years, it has aged, grown hotter, more luminous, and its light floods the world with an intensity that feels almost oppressive. You look around for cities, for roads, for towers of glass and steel, but there are none. No skyscrapers, no satellites streaking across the sky, no airplanes carving white scars through the clouds. Humanity's fingerprints have faded, eroded by time, wind, and planetary change. Whatever humans became, wherever they went, they are no longer here. The continents look familiar, yet subtly wrong. Africa has drifted north, colliding even more deeply with Europe, crushing old coastlines into towering mountain ranges that never existed in your time. Australia has pushed further into Southeast Asia. Mountains you once knew are gone, ground down to stumps by millions of years of erosion. New mountains rise where oceans once stretched endlessly. You take a step forward, and the heat hits you. The earth is hotter, no much hotter. The sun's increasing energy has triggered a runaway chain of climate changes. The oceans have partially evaporated, leaving vast salt flats behind. Rain falls differently, now violent, sudden, and rare in many places. The world feels older, tired, as if it's been running a marathon for billions of years. Plant life still exists, but it has changed beyond recognition. The lush green forests of your time are gone. In their place are hardy, alien-looking organisms adapted to extreme heat. Leaves are smaller, waxier, darker, designed to conserve every drop of moisture. Animals are harder to find. Large mammals disappeared long ago. Life didn't vanish entirely, but it simplified. What remains are smaller, tougher creatures. Evolution no longer rewards size or complexity. It rewards efficiency. You walk toward what was once an ocean. The smell is sharp, metallic. The water that remains is thick and dense, saturated with salts. The waves are sluggish, heavy. Coral reefs are long dead. Fish, as you knew them, no longer exist. Instead, microbial life dominates. Tiny organisms that can tolerate extreme heat and acidity. Life has retreated to its most basic, resilient forms. As you look up again, the sky reveals another truth. The moon is farther away, slowly drifting from Earth over billions of years. Tides are weaker, nights are darker. Earth's rotation has slowed too. Days are longer now. The sun hangs in the sky for what feels like an eternity, baking the land. You realize something unsettling. Earth is dying, but not suddenly. This is not an apocalypse. There are no explosions, no firestorms. Just a slow, inevitable decline driven by physics, chemistry, and time. And yet, there is a strange beauty here. The sky at sunset is breathtaking. With different atmospheric chemistry, the colors are deeper burning reds, dark purples, strange golden hues. The Milky Way spills across the sky like a cosmic river, reminding you that while Earth has changed, the universe continues its endless story. You wonder about humanity. Did they see this coming? Almost certainly. 1 billion years is more than enough time for a technological civilization to predict the sun's evolution. Humans likely did not go extinct. They probably left. They may have colonized other planets, engineered new habitats, or even transformed themselves into something no longer bound to biology. Whatever the answer, Earth is no longer their home. As you stand there, a visitor from the deep past, you feel incredibly small. 1 billion years is a reminder of how brief everything you know truly is. Empires rise and fall in the blink of an eye. Species disappear. Even planets change beyond recognition. The problems and fears of your time feel almost insignificant when measured against the slow, unstoppable flow of cosmic time. And yet, that insignificance isn't depressing. It is freeing, because if everything is temporary, then every moment matters more, not less. The Earth, you came from the oceans full of life. The forests, the cities glowing at night, that version of Earth is rare. It exists only for a brief window in the planet's long history. You were born into that window. As the light around you begins to shimmer again, as time prepares to pull you back to where you came from, one final thought echoes in your mind. The future is vast, the past is fragile, and the present, this exact moment, is more precious than it ever feels. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more journeys through space and time.